This video is an introductory video of the IDM Server. The IDM Server is a web server-based system that allows the user to upload and share their IDM XML and XSLT. The IDM Server can be easily accessed in the Global BIM dashboard through globalbimdashboard.org. This video introduces features of the IDM Server, including how to access the IDM Server, then show how to upload and visualize Idm XML. First, the video will show the basic features to show how to register a new account and access IDM Server in the Global BIM dashboard. To access the server, the user must sign up and sign in to a new account by clicking the Register button located on the top right side of the main screen. You will see a sign-up form identical as the following. And then, the user can sign in to a new account by clicking Login, which is next to the Register button. The IDM Server can access through the IDM Server section, which located on the bottom left side of the main page of the Global BIM dashboard. The IDM Server has various features to support the IDM exchange process. Features of the IDM Server include upload and share Idm Xml documents and associated XSLT files. On top of that, the Idm XML can visualize in the server as a legible format that has the style defined in the selected XSLT. The user can download the uploaded Idm XML documents and XSLT files by other users. The IDM Server also supports a searching feature to find specific Idm XML documents and XSLT files. Once you access the IDM Server after signing in a new account, you can see other Idm XML documents already uploaded by other people. To upload the Idm XML document, you click on the Upload Idm XML button on the right side. Once the new screen appears, you can upload the two kinds of file formats, IDM folders and Idm XML file. The IDM offering tools such as the XPPM Neo exports BPMN, diagrams, and images in external IDM folders. IDM folders should have a filed format like the following. There are three IDM folders: diagram, image, XSLT. The diagram includes files regarding the BPMN or other supported diagram files. In the case of only BPMN, the folder will contain one BPMN diagram file and an overview image of the diagram. Images contain all graphical examples to define IDM elements, such as summary in UC, description in ER, and graphical examples for the information unit. Finally, XSLT contains the associated XSLT file for the Idm XML document. These IDM folders should be zipped into a single zip file to upload to the IDM Server. If the user exported the Idm XML using the XPPM Neo, the user should have IDM folders like this. Then, you have to zip all IDM folders into a single zip file. However, the Idm XML file should not be zipped, but uploaded separately. Then click this button on the top side, and then upload a zip file that includes IDM folder. Then, the Idm XML should be uploaded separately on the bottom side of the screen. Once you upload all files to the server should visualize the Idm XML like this. You can change the title of the Idm XML document by clicking this button. The associated XSLT file will be automatically uploaded into the server, as long as the uploaded zip files include XSLT. One of the features of the IDM Server is that it allows to change XSL style sheets as long as Idm XML and XSLT are compatible. In this example, the original XSLT looks like this. By clicking this button, you can switch the style sheet to the other style format. In this new style sheet, you can see different colors and items that are different from the style from the previous XSLT. If you want to set this style sheet as the default view, click this button to set this XSLT as a default view. This is the end of this brief introductory video of the IDM Server. Thank you for listening.